So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this kind of like bicycle cover. This is an extra large bicycle cover. So in theory, it should be able to cover both of these bikes up here. These are two fat tire e-bikes, and I wanted to cover where if I had to leave them outside, I usually keep them inside in the shed, but if I wanted to leave them out for a little while, I can put this cover on them. And this is the XX large size. It's from the company Puroma, I think what that is, and it's got one bike cover, a storage bag, 190T polyester Oxford fabric on this thing. The dimensions are 82 by 47 by 43. And you know what? I've actually had products from this Puroma company before. If you look right here, I think that's what these are, my pedals. So I've got these pedals and they've been really good. So been impressed with them. Let's go ahead and open this package up here. You can see right there, basic 2XL on the logo there. Well, it's got a cool looking storage bag. So these hooks right here are actually, see these holes? These are designed to pass a bike cable through. If you wanted to run a cable and cable lock them. I'm gonna move the bikes closer to each other and kind of tighten it up a little bit. By the way, this bike is the Van Powers Grand Teton Ultra, and this is the Mock Wheel Obsidian step through. So if you guys are interested in any of these bikes, I'll leave links down below on these, because these are two of my favorite e-bikes for just all around riding. So where these hooks are, that's the front, because that's why it's wider up there for the handlebars. And get rid of this stupid blue stuff. I think that's put on there for shipping. Is that gonna cover it up? Whoa, it does. It covers up these two e-bikes. I don't know if you know how large two full-size 26-inch e-bikes are, but that's impressive. Look at how it just covered up all of the e-bikes. And then you're just gonna basically get this little latch right here, run it down through there, and I'll put the cover under there. That ain't going anywhere. I think I could almost get 3 in there. And like I said, you see the hook, right, the circle right here is where you would run a cord through. So if you wanted to lock it, you could lock your bike down, and that way it'd be locked. Your cover and your bike would all be locked down at once. Yeah, I think this is a great option for anyone that just has like I do, that has several e-bikes, or you've got a large size motorcycle and you just wanted to cover it up and have it protected from the rain, the elements, and all kinds of random stuff. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Puroma 2X bike cover. See you all in the next video.